To the replay. Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. We are going to go live today with Baby It's Cold Outside. All right. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, so we're gonna do Baby It's Cold Outside, and let me go ahead and quickly share this to my my group and my other page. So give me a minute, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this here, these adorable mittens, and this is from the this is one of the new holiday transfers from the catalog that just came out. So, yeah, it's super cute. It actually comes with these snowflakes also. Debating if we should put some on here. I don't know. We'll see. But let's go ahead and share this in my group. Hope you guys had a wonderful Thursday. Thursdays are usually really busy for me. I don't know about you guys. All right. Hopefully some people jump on. Share this to my timeline. All right, we should be good to go. Okay, so what I decided is, so we're gonna try a layering thing, which is gonna be interesting. So if I screw up, that's okay, because everyone makes mistakes, right? So I'm going to be using a canvas this time. So what I did was I I can't think of the word that I'm thinking of. I pre-treated this with gesso. So it's a canvas prep. I can't think, man, I'm like having a brain block tonight. It's a canvas surface preparation. I can't think. But anyway, so I painted this on it and let that sit for 24 hours. So that's a great way to prep a canvas, because canvases have like little nooks and crannies, and that will help smooth it out. So hopefully we don't have any issues. This is my first time doing a canvas, and I'm doing it live with you guys. So this should be fun. And on top of doing this on a canvas, we are also going to do some color layering. So yeah. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we are going to put some cute little mittens on here, and then we are going to put the Baby It's Cold Outside over top of it to layer it. So hopefully this all works out. Crossing my fingers. You guys are in this with me. We're in this together. Okay. So, turn on. If you are watching this live, comment live. If you're watching the replay, comment replay. If you guys have any questions, please ask me. Okay, and so what we're going to do, and this is another thing we're going to try. So I'm going to make the mittens like a baby blue color, and then I'm going to make the words silver. So I'm hoping that the silver is going to show up on top of the baby blue. That's the goal. So let's see. Okay, so here we go. with this guy here, we are going to prep these little mittens. All right. Make sure it's on there smooth. You can use a squeegee. To make sure that there's no air bubbles. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're gonna do the baby blue paste. Let's see. This paste is actually called Aquamarine. Oh, it's my birthstone. Yay. Okay. Just stir this up a little bit. You know, I really wish I could figure out how to play music while I'm doing this. If anyone has any pointers for me, because I'm using my phone and my iPad. So, I'm not really sure. But I feel like this should be this way. What do you guys think? I feel like it should be this way. So I am going to peel this off because I want it more this way. Okay. Yeah, because I feel like we should have like some kind of music or something. So let me know if you can figure that out. Because Lord knows you don't want to hear me sing. Oh man. I'll give you guys a baby bump update too. Okay, so now here goes nothing. We are doing this baby blue or this aquamarine color on here. So we are going to spread it all over. All right. So you can kind of like put some glops of it and then squeegee it. And then you see how it spreads. So okay, now I can start wiping excess. All right, see how quick and easy that is? So now you just want to go over it with the squeegee and make sure you get all the excess off. So scrape all this off and you can scrape it back into the jar. Which is great because then you're not wasting. All right. I am almost done squeegeeing off all this excess. All right, so now I'm going to peel it off, and hopefully we have ourselves a nice set of mittens. All right, put it up here so you guys can see. Woohoo! Check that out. How cute are those? So you can see that I accidentally got a little bit of paint on here. I'm going to see if I can, luckily I can wipe it off. Made a little bit of a mistake. It's okay. It still looks good. Okay, I don't... Woo! Okay. Awesome. So look at our mittens. How cool is that? All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to dry this with a heat gun so that we can go over it with another color. So, and you can use a hairdryer for this too. Let's test it out. Yep, we're looking pretty dry. See that? Dry. Awesome. Perfect. So now what we're going to want to do is put our words on here. So I am going to slant this a little bit. Okay. And then we've got cold. Is gonna go right over top. And then outside. What do you guys think? Should I put it here? Should I center it? Center or off this way, off this way. Let's do it off this way. All right. So now we want to take a squeegee and make sure that there are no air bubbles. make sure this is on good. Hey Tamara, how are you? Hey Chris. Looks a little busy. Oh, it looks too busy? Well, hopefully once I have the words painted on and I peel this off, hopefully it doesn't look like that, but I can see your point. Because I'm trying to layer these things on top of each other. But I'm going to kind of hope that it doesn't look busy, but good point. I could have used your input before I started. Oh, man. So now we're going to put this silver color on top and pray that you can see it. All right. Here we go. And you just scrape the excess off, like I said before, so you can save all of this paint. So, it's awesome. Okay. All right. That PAOI, yeah, I maybe I lost mine then, I guess. Maybe it's been too long. But I hope you're doing well. I hope, what's your next assignment going to be? I am curious. I definitely miss PAO status for sure. I'm glad that you're loving it. Hopefully all those materials that I sent you came in handy. Hey Emily, how are you? How's Olivia? I'm sure she's doing something adorable as usual. She is funny. All right, we are almost done here. Almost done scraping all this excess off. All right, I think I am ready to peel these guys off. All right, let's see. So far, so good. You're in Florida? I hate you. How did you get that assignment? Are you at MacDill? That's the only place I could think of that you would go. Oh, first field trip. Awesome.